Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online EVS class and we have started with our new chapter, that is lesson number 7, travel time. Okay, and today we are going to do another two exercises that are true. First is true and false and the other will be match the following. Okay, but before starting children, I hope you all have completed your yesterday's work which I gave you. If you have not completed children, please complete it as soon as possible. Okay, you all remember yesterday I gave you missing letters and fill in the blanks to complete in your EVS notebooks. Those who have not completed, those who have not done their work, please complete your work and then continue with today's work. Okay, now listen to my video very carefully children, as I will be giving you a short introduction of the chapter and then I will start with the exercises. Okay, so travel time. In this chapter children, what you have learnt about three types of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. What are land transport children? Transport which runs on land. Vehicles which runs on land are called land transport, like bicycles, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses and auto rickshaws. These all are some examples for land transport. Okay, now trains are also known as the land transport, but train are also called the fastest means of लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. लैंड का जो सबसे फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है वो कौन सा है? ट्रेन्स. ओके, नाउ इन इंडिया यू ऑल नो दैट मेट्रोज ऑल्सो हैव स्टार्टेड इन मेनी सिटीज. मेट्रो is the latest mode of transportation. Okay, metro is only for cities. Within the city metro trains travel. Okay, and we can travel in metro from one place to another place within the city. Okay, they are not used for one city to another city. Only in one city metro will be traveling. It is a local train. Okay, now what is water transport children? Water transport is the means of transport which runs on water. Okay, जो water में चलते हैं, those are water transport, like ships, streamers, boats, etc. Okay, now after water transport comes air transport. What are air transport children? Air transport are those vehicles which run on air, which run in the air. Okay, like aeroplanes, helicopters, spacecrafts. Okay, all these are air transport. Now aeroplane is used to carry people from one place to another place, and it is the fastest means of transportation. Okay, and helicopter is generally used to provide relief to the affected people which are affected by floods and cyclones. Okay, those people who are affected by cyclones, floods, they are provided relief by helicopters. Okay, and spacecraft are like, अगर आपको मून पे या किसी और स्पेस पे जाना है, किसी और प्लैनेट पे जाना है, तो स्पेशल स्पेसक्राफ्ट्स होते हैं जो हम यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ in this chapter you also learnt about animals as means of transport. So in desert, camels are used for transport. Okay, and it is also called the ship of the desert. Elephants are used to carry logs in thick forest. घने जंगलों में logs को carry करने के लिए elephants are used, and mules and ponies are used in hilly areas to carry people and loads. Okay, now in this chapter the last part which you studied was about fuels. What are fuels? So I gave you one example, that as we all need food to eat for energy. Okay, वी ऑल नीड फूड. हम सबको फूड की ज़रूरत होती है क्योंकि हमें फूड से एनर्जी मिलती है अपना काम करने के लिए और खेलने के लिए. ओके, वैसे ही व्हीकल्स को भी एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है, और एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? व्हीकल्स तो फूड नहीं खाते, उनका फूड क्या होता है? फ्यूल्स. एंड व्हाट आर फ्यूल्स चिल्ड्रन? पेट्रोल, डीजल एंड सीएनजी आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ फ्यूल्स. ओके. And most important thing is that we should not waste fuel, because we get fuels from earth and there is very little amount of fuel left in the earth. ठीक है, हमारी अर्थ में बहुत कम अमाउंट में फ्यूल रह गया है, इसलिए हमें उसे हिसाब से यूज़ करना है और उसको वेस्ट नहीं करना है, हमें फ्यूल को सेव करना है. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? दिस वॉज ऑल इन योर चैप्टर एंड नाउ we will be doing our exercises. So the first exercise for today is true or false. So what you will do, you have completed yesterday's work, that was missing letters and fill in the blanks. After fill in the blanks, you will take out a new page in your notebooks and you will write down today's date, that is 9/9/2020, and then you will write down the heading, lesson number 11, travel time. In the next line, second line, you will give the heading part C, true or false. Okay. Now the first true false is trains are the fastest means of land transport. Is it true or false? It is true, because we have learnt that trains are the fastest means of land transport. Land transport का fastest means कौन सा है? Trains. और all over अगर fastest means of transport कौन सा है? That is aeroplanes. Okay. तो ट्रेन्स आर द फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए ट्रेन सबसे तेज़ चलने वाली ट्रांसपोर्ट है, व्हीकल है. ओके, सो दिस इज ट्रू. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड पार्ट, दैट इज इन डेजर्ट्स एलिफेंट्स आर यूज्ड फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? False. Why it is false? Because deserts में camels are used for transport and elephants कहाँ use होते हैं? Thick forest में logs को carry करने के लिए. Okay? Now the third sentence. Camel is called the ship of the desert. True. Camel desert का ship कहलाता है, ship of the desert कहलाता है. So this is true. Fourth sentence. We must not save fuel. हमें fuel नहीं सेव करना चाहिए, नहीं बचाना चाहिए. इज़ इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? इट इज़ फॉल्स. अगर हम अभी फ्यूल नहीं बचाएंगे तो हमें आगे चल के कभी फ्यूल नहीं मिलेगा. देन वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू ट्रैवल लाइक हाउ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग एट प्रेजेंट. अभी हम जैसे अपनी कार्स, बसेस, स्कूटर्स, ओके, एरोप्लेन्स वगैरह में ट्रैवल करते हैं, ऐसे हम ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर हम अभी से फ्यूल को सेव नहीं करेंगे. नाउ द लास्ट सेंटेंस इज ships and streamers are water transport. Ships or streamers water transport हैं. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Okay, so I hope you all have understood true or false. Again I am repeating. First one is trains are the fastest means of land transport. It is true. Second is in deserts elephants are used for transport. It is false. Third is camel is called the ship of the desert. It is true. Fourth is we must not save fuel. This is false. And fifth one is ships and streamers are water transport. This is true. Okay. Now coming to the next exercise, that is D part, match the following. Okay. Now in this you all know, one side there are words written and on the other side there are answers written. They are all jumbled, so you have to match the answers with these. Okay, with this side you have to match the answers from this side. So you will make proper lines, and I don't want any lines to be drawn by hand. They should be properly drawn with the help of a scale. Scale से lines बनानी है, कोई भी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी lines हाथ से नहीं बनाएगा. Okay, I want neat and clean work. Okay, so now I am explaining you match the following. So listen to me very carefully children. First word is land transport, second is water transport, third is air transport, fourth is camel, fifth is fuel. Now this side there are answers like ships, aeroplanes, scooter, petrol, ship of desert. Now you have to match these answers correctly for all these words. Okay. नाउ फर्स्ट इज लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. तो यहाँ पे लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट से रिलेटेड क्या वर्ड दिया है? स्कूटर. SCOOTER, स्कूटर. सो यू विल पुट अ स्केल फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर and then you will draw a straight line and you will put a small arrow. Okay, land transport is scooter. Coming to the second part, water transport. Now what is water transport here? Ships. So ships are water transport. Okay, so you will match water transport with ships. Okay, third is air transport. So you will put your scale from here to aeroplanes and then you will draw a line, straight line to aeroplanes. You will match air transport with aeroplanes. Okay, now fourth one, camel. Camel is the ship of the desert. So you will draw a straight line and your answer will be ship of desert. Then last one is fuel. For fuel, the answer is petrol. So you will match fuel with petrol. Okay, so you will draw a straight line. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Again, I am repeating: land transport, scooter; water transport, ships; air transport, aeroplanes; camel, ship of desert; fuel, petrol. So these are all. Match the columns and you will do like how I have done and how you are seeing in your videos. Okay, so you will done in the same manner as I have done. So please children, I hope you all have understood both the exercises and now you will not make any mistake and you will do it very properly. And I want your work to be done on time. And please children, get your copies corrected after completing your work, after completing your chapters. Please get your copies corrected. As you all know, I am repeating every day that for copy correction, you can come to school from Monday to Saturday and you can get your copies corrected. Okay. And timings for copy correction is from 10 AM to 1 PM. 10 AM सुबह 10 बजे से दोपहर के 1 बजे के बीच में आप कभी भी आके अपनी कॉपीज करेक्शन करवा सकते हैं. Is that clear children? So I hope you all have understood everything. So till my next video children, please complete your work, and with this video I will be giving you the same assignment of these two exercises, that are true and false and match the following. So please complete your work on time. Okay, till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.